Alright, so we are going to move on to the next page, which is page 103. Alright, now write the date first again. Make sure you write the date, 21st April 2020. Alright, Alice spent a total of 2 hours and 10 minutes at the library. She watched a video for 1 hour and 15 minutes and spent the rest of the time reading. Question A. How much time did Alice spend reading? That's A. B. How much more time did Alice spend watching the video than reading? So we are going to highlight the word more. Okay, I'm going to highlight it. You also need to highlight. Alright, so that is for B. Now, I'm going to do the A first. Now, first of all, you must understand that we have the amount of time she spent in the library. Then, out of this, she spent some time in watching a video and the remaining time she spent reading. Now, what I'm going to do first is, I'm going to convert the hours into minutes. So, 2 hours and 10 minutes is, look at the thing, 2 hours and 10 minutes is 120 minutes plus 10 minutes is total 130 minutes. Remember, I did this with you last week, how to convert the hour and minute into minutes. So, 2 hour and 10 minutes is 120, 2 hours is 120. Plus 10 is 130 minutes. So total, I'm converting the hour and minutes into minutes so that we can minus easily. Alright. The second is she spent 1 hour 15 minutes watching a video. So 1 hour and 15 minutes is 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, which means 75 minutes. Alright. Now coming to question A. How much time did Alice spend reading? So we know the number of minutes she spent in the library, the total number of minutes. We know how much time did she spend watching a video. What we need to know is how much time did she spend reading. So I'm going to minus 130 minutes minus 75 minutes. You get 5 and you get 12 minus 7 is 55. So, the first A, statement for A is, draw a line. Alice spent 55 minutes reading. So this is A. Alright. So this is the answer for A. Alice spent 55 minutes reading. Now, moving to B. How much more time did Alice spend watching the video than reading? So watching the video she spent 75 minutes. And reading she spent 55 minutes. So 75 minutes minus 55 minutes is equal to, you can do it in the working column. Alright. 75 minus 55 is equal to 20 minutes. And you write the statement for B. Statement is, she spent 20 minutes more watching the video than reading. So I repeat, she spent 20 minutes more watching the video than reading. Okay? Can you all see the sum? Alright, now next one is number 2. Osman took 1 hour 10 minutes to paint his room. He took 45 minutes less. Now over here less is the keyword. So I'm going to highlight it. Less to paint the room than to remove the old paint. Question 1. How long did Osman take to remove the old paint? Question B. How long did Osman take to remove the old paint and paint his room? So again over here in B, and that means altogether how much time. Now let's understand the question first again. Osman took 1 hour 10 minutes to paint his room. He took 45 minutes less to paint his room than to remove old paint. That means he spent more time removing old paints and he took less time painting his room. So what do we need to do? We need to add 110 plus 45 to find out how long he took to remove the old paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add. Now over here I can add 1 hour 10 minutes plus 45 minutes. Alright, now I can add as simple. Alright, so 1 hour and 10 minutes plus 45 is equal to 155. Now remember, this is not time. This is not telling the time. This is the number of hours he spent. So this is equal to 1 hour and 55 minutes. He spent more time removing the paint than painting the room. Alright. So the statement for this is Osman took 1 hour and 55 minutes to remove the old paint. Alright, so I repeat again. Osman took 1 hour 10 minutes to paint his room. He took 45 minutes less to paint his room than to remove the old paint. That means he took more time removing the old paint. Alright, so we are adding 1 hour 10 minutes plus 45. You get 1 hour 55 minutes. Alright, so this is answer A. Statement for A is Osman took 1 hour 55 minutes to remove the old paint. Now, second one. How long did he take to remove the old paint and to paint his room? So, he took 1 hour 55 minutes to remove the old paint, plus he took 1 hour and 10 minutes to paint the room. Now I'm going to add this on the side. 1 hour 55 minutes plus 1 hour 10 minutes. I'm going to get 5 6 and 2 hours. All right. So as you can see, I have got 2 hours and 65. Now again, there is no such thing as 65 minutes. It's only 60 minutes. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to take out 1 hour from here and add it here plus 1. All right. So the 3 hours become into, the 2 hours become into 3. When I add 1, it becomes 3. So 3 hours, and what is remaining is 5 minutes. 65 minus 60, it is 5 minutes. So 3 hours, answer is 3 hours and 5 minutes. So statement. Osman took 3 hours and 5 minutes to remove the old paint and paint his room. All right. So look at the thing. Osman took 3 hours and 5 minutes to remove the old paint and paint his room.